Okay, so that's an arch ready to go for $240. An arch and flowers. Today we're gonna learn how to build a circle arch. What's up, guys? I'm back in the back room of my shop, again with the circle arch that you guys can't quit talking about. So this arch right here fits nicely on a 4x8 sheet of plywood. And it's renting like hotcakes. I have this one priced at about $127 on my website. I'll show it here on my website. And all of my other arches are priced at about $75. And this one seems to be renting out for double the price. Me and Les, we finally put it up for download so that you can make this yourself. You can make it through the CNC machine, or you can make it by yourself, as we're updating our arches to have mosaic files with them now. So you can just print out the pieces of paper and then draw them on board, hand cut them out and put them together. So that's how mosaics work. So our arches will be able to be made by hand, and as you see in the video here, easily installed by hand. It's definitely going to be out every weekend at that amount, so it's going to be worth it for you to click the link and download the files for this. Build a few of these. Probably don't even build one. Build one with the dark stain, build one with light stain. You know, get it going out, build some buzz. We had this one rented out by a bride, and she had a wedding planner working with her. So the wedding planner designed it up all nice, and then the flower company came in and designed it up nice, and it went out on one of the Instagram channels, and there was like a nice video of it. All of a sudden all the brides were talking about it, and even the venue was like, oh, we found out who it was, and it was my company who had it. And there was a big a small buzz around it in my city, and everyone was like, oh, you know, where was the arch from, and then it's like, oh, Saskatoon Party Rentals, it was from my company. And all of a sudden the bookings were just going boom, 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 boom. So, you know, if it gets on Instagram and someone has a good local reel of it, then it really starts popping. So this has been a beneficial item, and I want to share my success with you. So this arch is a banger. As I've spoken in videos before, the triangle arch that I made the DIY build video, which is also available on our store, that one is a highly, highly profitable item as well. Anyways, back to the circle arch. So this circle arch is fantastic because it breaks down into pieces. It's portable for people. But yeah, I suggest that you build this one. We've got the regular one, and now we've got this one. There's a whole bunch of stuff on the go soon that we are going to push out for you guys. It's super exciting. So the arch you've been asking for, here it is. So click the link in the description if you want it. There will be a stock photo available in the download as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, sub to the channel to see more and more updates, and press the like on this, and let's get it buzzing. This is kind of how to build a DIY circle arch. Blah blah blah. You're awesome. You stay classy.